What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. For today's topic, we will tackle how we can connect Zoom to Calendly. First, go over to your browser and log into your account to Calendly. And the Calendly website, click on the integration section. Then navigate to the Zoom app and click it. Now click on the Connect Zoom and simply log into your Zoom account. Click on Go to Event Types. Then create a new event by clicking on the new event type on the side. Here, choose the event type, whether for one-on-one, for a group, a collective one, or round robin. Click on the Next button. Then fill up the event name. Then as for the location, choose the Zoom. Then fill up the maximum invitees per event. After that, click Continue below. Now the Zoom and Calendly is now connected together. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.